Hello, in this lecture I try to clarify what is the random variable and look here, look here that the random variable is a numerical description of the outcome of an experiment. Okay, it is nothing but a numerical description of the outcome of an experiment. What is the outcome? Outcome and what is the experiment? Experiment here is the random experiment. Tossing a coin, you can get hit or fail. So it depends upon the chance. So it is a the tossing a coin is a random experiment, and the outcome is the result of the of the random experiment. Okay, so so here look at this the numerical description of the outcome of an experiment is the random variable. So in here you can find that x is a random variable. What is the x? What is the x? X is x x is the number of hits occurring on the three coin tosses. In our example, x is the number of hits occurring on the three coin tosses. So x is the random variable. Okay, x is the random variable. So what is the definition? Definition is that a random variable is the numerical description of the outcome of an experiment. Okay, so random variable here is x. So x is nothing but the number of hits occurring on the three coin tosses. So when there are three coin tosses, uh, outcomes are outcomes are eight. Outcomes are eight. So numerical description, you can find the outcomes. This is the outcome of an experiment. Here the experiment is tossing of three coins at a time. This is the experiment here. So outcomes is these eight outcomes are there. And numerical representation of this means the random variable is the number of hits occurring. Number of hits occurring. So here number of hits occurring is 3. Here number of hits occurring number of hits occurring is 2. Here number of hits occurring is 2. Here number of hits occurring is 1. Here number of hits occurring is 2. Here number of hits occurring is 1. Here number of hits occurring is 1. And here number of hits occurring is 0. So, so 0, 1, 2, and 3 are the values, are the numerical values of the random variable. That is the number of hits occurring on the three coin tosses. So I hope you you have understood that what is the random variable. So random variable is a numerical description of the outcome of an experiment. Okay, thank you. You have I hope you you have got the point, and thanks for enjoying this lecture.